K-pop beauty Dua Lipa is the woman most men would fancy getting between their bedsheets on Valentine's Day, and hunk Idris Elba the man most women lust after. One Kiss singer Dua, 26, is the bedroom fantasy of 35% of fellas in a Sun on Sunday sex survey. 2. One Kiss singer Dua, 26, is the bedroom fantasy of 35% of fellas in a Sun on Sunday sex surveyCredit, splash. 2. Idris, 49, star of crime dramas The Wire and Luther, got 28% of female votes. Curvy presenter Kelly Brook, 42, is top thrill for 25% and Love Island's Maura Higgins, 31, desired by 15%. Idris, 49, star of crime dramas The Wire and Luther, got 28% of female votes. Golden Balls footy favorite David Beckham, 46, scored 25% and boxer Anthony Joshua, 32, carded 15%. Thousands of you responded to our survey, conducted by dating site SaucyDates.com, which lifts the lid on the nation's bedroom fantasies. It found that half of us dream of sex with a stranger and 70% would consider an open relationship. 1 in 5 think about hopping into bed with an ex in 2022, and a quarter of us about a friends with benefits relationship, betting a mate with no strings attached. Nearly half of men, 48%, and 34% of women say they would be up for an affair. 2/3 of blokes, and more than a third of women, fancy a colleague. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun News Desk? Email us at exclusive@thesun.co.uk or call 0207 782 4104. You can WhatsApp us on 07423 720 250. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours. Click here to get the Sun newspaper delivered for free for the next 6 weeks.